Hey my loves, welcome back for another video. If you're tuning in for the first time, I'm Ashley and today we're slaying another lace wig. So this one comes courtesy of MyFirstWig, and this is not my first time with this one. I actually installed and reviewed this for you guys about a month ago, and as you guys can see, I am pleased to report she is holding up amazing. I don't wear her every single day, but whenever I need something quick and easy on the go, I definitely will pop her on, and it's a heatless install. It's super easy, it's super simple. I'm literally ready in 5 minutes, and I look so good in this wig. She is kinky straight, and so what they did was they sent me an actual wand curler, and I'm going to style her for you guys, which is a first. Typically with the headband wig, it's something that is supposed to be something quick and simple and easy, a protective style for us to be able to look really good without having to, bond anything down. It's very quick and it's very beginner friendly. So I like that I'm going to take it another step up, and I'm going to show you guys, if you do have somewhere to go and you really want to look good, how to look good with these wigs. I did not even know that MyFirstWig carried hot tools. This wand curler is on their website and it's actually extremely affordable. I just checked and it's actually on sale, so I'll have it linked in the description box along with the actual wig and you can purchase it. I love this one so much because it actually heated up very fast and it works fast. You only have to leave the hair on the wand curler for a couple of seconds and you get a nice curl. I also did add a heat protectant to the hair just because I want to preserve it. I don't want to get any heat damage or anything crazy to it, and everything came out good. I'm also going to add some hairspray at the very end just because I wanted the curl to hold for a couple of days. Now I did film this video 2 days ago and this is the only wig I've worn in the last 2 days. The first night I did take the wig off at night, so the next day the curls were perfect. Now today I did sleep in it last night for the second night, and I just kind of put it in a pineapple with a bonnet on top. And the good thing about this is because there's no lace, I didn't have to worry about anything like having to be glue or bond anything down. I literally woke up in the morning, took my shower with my shower cap on, got dressed, and I was ready for Zoom and homeschool with my kids. And then we went and ran errands, and I never had to worry about whether I looked good or not, whether I needed to bond anything down, blow dry anything. These curls are holding up amazing. And again, I'm going to say it a million times, I did not have to bond anything down. It just is literally ready to go. All you have to do is pick out what headband you want to wear to match your outfit. Oh my gosh, I am completely amazed at how well this took a curl, how beautiful and natural the curls look. This looks so good. I was actually impressed with myself because you guys know I'm definitely not a pro with the wand curls. I did opt to do the curls away from my face. So you guys see how I split it in half. On each side, I do the curls pretty much going backwards or away from my face instead of towards. To me, it makes a big difference. You can do it away from your face to look like what mine looks like. You can do towards your face for a more girl next door kind of look, or you can kind of go tandem and mix up the curls, and that's kind of like for a more voluminous look. Either way it goes, it's going to be a super simple and easy process if you are using a wand curler. If I did not mention, this wig is called Simone. Again, she's a kinky straight lace wig. She's very full and she's in the length 18 inches. She did come with 3 different headband options, and you'll see that in just a moment. I'm going to take a couple more minutes to go ahead and wand curl the rest of the hair, and then we'll be back to talk about actually what I feel about the wig, how it's holding up, and just some tips and tricks to keep your wig looking poppin' through the fall and winter seasons. We are officially done and I am in love. So they sent me a picture of what it should look like whenever I curled the hair, and I was like, mine is not gonna look like that. I didn't say it to them, but I was thinking it because I know I'm not that good with curls, and mine actually looks just as good as theirs did. I did opt to add a little bit of holding spray. I just want to make sure that the curls preserved and they, held up. I wasn't sure if they were gonna drop or anything, and it actually didn't. Like I said, this hair is holding a curl like a dream. I did go ahead and kind of add a little bit of baby hair. I tried the black edge control that you guys tell me about all the time, and as you guys can see, it's just not working for me. So I did pull the headband back over it, but I am going to do a center swoop with my Got2b glue gel. And of course, you guys know in the beginning my favorite headband was the yellow one, so it matched my top today, so we went back with the yellow, and this is beautiful. You can pin it up and do like a half up, half down. You can do a ponytail, a bun, and I'm even showing you guys how whenever you shake your head, it's not going to just fly off. It actually is secure on your head without anything being bonded down. Okay guys, so I just finished doing my wand curls and they came out so beautiful. It's been so long since I've done wand curls on such a natural, yucky, kinky texture, and I'm absolutely feeling it. It definitely mimics my natural real hair, but it's better because it's so much thicker and fuller, so I'm definitely loving it. It almost makes me forget that this is actually a headband wig and not like a lace wig or even my real hair. So if you guys did not notice, this wig is a wig that I shared with you guys a couple of weeks ago. This one does come from MyFirstWigs, and they pretty much asked me to go ahead and give you guys an update on the wig. The headband wigs are so popular nowadays that I think everyone is in love with them, everyone is reviewing them, and the one thing we want to know more than anything is how they hold up. And I can tell you guys, these from MyFirstWigs definitely will hold up super nice. I'll leave my original tutorial on this wig in the description box, and there you'll see how beautiful it looks. I actually get compliments on this wig. I've been wearing it in the same natural blow dry style that you guys seen, and I wear it with my mask, and I usually will wear it up in like a high bun, so it kind of mimics my natural hair. It kind of looks like I'm just, out running errands, and keeping it super simple and light, and it makes it just looks like it's my natural hair. Like, people are like, your hair looks so good, and I'm like, thank you, it's mine. But yeah, I really love this one, and more than anything, I'm loving the way that it's holding up. It hasn't really tangled. It doesn't give me any crazy shedding or anything like that. Now, the one thing I have not done is like wash it or co-washed it. I honestly feel like I haven't needed to because I literally wear it on my way out, and again, I wear it up in ponytails and buns. So like I said, it hasn't really had any issues at all. I really don't put any product in it. You guys see today I did use my Oxy Moist holding spray, which I'll have linked in the description box, and that did a great job of holding the curls. Now for me, I'm about to go to bed in a couple of hours, so I'm probably gonna just take the wig off and then put it back on in the morning so that I can still have these curls and not have to jeopardize messing them up. But if I did want to wear it to bed for whatever reason, I probably would like put it in some flexi rods or just put it up into a pineapple, and then in the morning I would take back out the wand curler and kind of just touch up a couple of the curls to make sure that it keeps its natural shape. Be sure to check the description box for a link to this wig, as well as a list of everything I used to complete this look. What I love about these headband wigs is that it's minimal work, minimal product to use. I did use the black edge control, or I gave it a second try. You guys seen, like maybe a month or two ago, I tried this for you guys on the channel with another headband wig, and I wasn't feeling it, and still I'm not feeling it. I think it's the way I'm applying it more than anything, so I did go back to the Got2b glue just to give you guys a little something there. But yeah, I only use like 2 or 3 products, and of course I'll leave them in the description box if you're interested, including that black edge control, and then also of course the wig is in the description box as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to check out MyFirstWigs. Of course, as I said before, and I keep saying to you guys, be sure to check out the description box for all the details on everything you've seen in this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe, share this video with your friends, and as always, I'll see you in the next one. Smooches! Smooches!